What it is, what it do? It's your boy Kamogelo. Welcome to Dance. Dance.
Mash.
This one is massive. I want this one. With this one. Fun. I want all those hands. All those hands in your neighborhood. All those hands in your community. All those hands on varsity, on campus, at school, everywhere. If you can do this dance, Mama Taya, I'm taking them all. So today, we're going to be learning yay. What is it by yay? Yay, 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 yay. Yay dance challenge. Awesome, babe. Let's get it. Yeah, so people are saying this thing is hard. I don't know. What are you guys talking about, huh? What are you talking about? Do you know who I am? Have you heard of me? Nothing is hard when you got me, my brother. I got your back. I got your back, oh. Let's do this. Let's get this, my brother. Okay, so the first step. This thing is just easy, bro. You just jump and you stand. You just. That's it. You just step. Can't you just? Come on. And then as you go with your ball, like, let's go. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So your legs, they must be like you see, it's like, I'm gonna give you that, and then also the other one, like this might be, as in like you have brackets or something. There must be. Yeah, wait. Okay. Next step. And after you go out, yeah. So it's yeah. You go out like you stand. Not standing. You must stand. Your feet must be on the ground, and then you go out like on your. Are these heels or this? What are these? What do you call this? Heels. Yeah, it's heels. I can tell you it's forward, man. Don't judge me. So you like with your heels, ne? And then you bring it back in. When you bring it back in, you go down here and like you are bending. So like it's like you're doing this, but you're like this. So you so it's ne? It's yeah. Are we getting it? I know we're getting it, my brother. I know we're getting it, my sister. Let's do this. Let's get it. So, hey, what's that? Hey, fella, don't forget. No, what are you doing? Don't forget this. Don't forget, like, yeah, brother. You must. You must be a little sexy now, I mean. Yeah, nigga, just be sexy with it. Don't be playing. Don't be boring, my brother. Don't be boring. Add that sauce. Let's add the sauce, ne? Okay, so we do it with this, ne? Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Us! Man! I told you this before. I'm gonna tell it to you again. This time I'm serious. I need to sit down so you can hear this. Bruh, you are the boss. You are the fucking boss. No one can. Yo, shit. Me and you. Same WhatsApp group, Bufana. Really, we are legends. If we can do this, if we can pull this off, let's end it, fun. Let's end it. Let's land this shit. Let's go. So second step, ne? No, not second step. Another step. I lost count. So next step, ne? You kick, you bring back, ne? Kick, bring back. That's it. Kick, bring back. You can do that, ne? Do it. Let me see. No, do it. Let me see. Yeah. So you kick, you bring back, yeah. So like, use your hand. Do something with your hand. Like when you're dancing, my brother, your hand must not be standing there idle, like, hey, you're not doing anything. Oh, you hear me? Oh, yes, you must dance. You must dance, oh. You must show these people who's winner. You don't play. You are dancing. Let's do this. So you go with your hand like yeah. Hey, what? Hey. Yeah. Okay, let's take it from the top. Let's take it from the top. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, let's take it from the top, my brother. Take it from the top. So don't forget, doing what? You stepping. And then with your shoulders. Yeah. 1, 2. Hey, 1. Yeah. 1, 2. Hey, 1. Yeah. Hey, 1, 2. I'm so tired. I'm so tired, but I'm not gonna take a break because I'm doing this for us. I got your back. It doesn't matter whether rain comes, whether storms come, whether what lightning strikes me. I'm gonna teach you this dance, whether they like it or not. Nothing matters. Only you matter. Only you matter, my brother, my sister. Let's get it. So, Yo, bro. Shit, bro. What are you doing? Bro, you outdoing me. Bro, you dancing this dance better than me. After I taught you, bro. Yeah. I'm betrayed, yeah, but it's fine. I'm proud. It's fine. Go out there and show them you better than me. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so yeah. And then last step, just add some sauce, ne? So like just there at the end, bro. After you you got them. They're screaming. The leaders are screaming. Everybody's going crazy. And now, Baba Faith and Father Wants, I know. So after dancing, you don't just walk out like. No. We work with swag. We work with style. We are dancers. When we move with a certain elegance. My brother, there's a spirit inside of us, you know? So, like, Baba, woo. So you're going out. Hey, Baba Faith, I'm Faith, Father. Out of the second, you shut it down. No one is gonna come after you get into the second, and you kill it. No one is gonna dance, my brother. Did you get it? Did you really get it, bro? Come on, bro. You got it. Okay. One more time. Let's do it. Yeah, from the beginning. I know you got this. Mama, this is first step. I know you got it. But did you get this? Yeah? Did you get this? Like, you just... Mama, it's easy. Yeah? You can... That's it, bro. And then, like, when you're doing this, there's a pause here. Like, you put your feet down, there's a pause. Your foot. So, shit. Your feet, it's 1 feet. 2 foot. Eh? What? So, it doesn't matter. Let's move. It's like. And then, 1. Pause. Hey. Pause. Hey, you saw it, man. Yeah, now you probably got it. Should we add music? Bruh? Let's add music, my brother. Let's do it. The world has been waiting. We're gonna show them now. Mash.